just experimenting, seeing if my little 009 would push a coal wagon, in this case it's tender, around the track without it derailing, and doing a very successful job. So on my mining layout, I would be able to try over the points and see if I can push a truck or two into the siding. Now that would be a mammoth step forward, so we'll try that, and just open up a little bit more to running the trains round in a circle or an oval. I'm looking at what track I've got left over, and I've got a full circle in HO track. I've got 1 point HO, and I've got a complete circle in my 009, and I've got 2 crossovers, so I could use those as half straights, so I can make something of another layout on the reverse side of my mining board. On the reverse side of this, I've got the marshy background for the country scene. So let's see what we got here. We've got my cabins, right down the road here for the train. We've got my bus station, the high street. We've got a bus stop there, a coach leaving. I come around here to the trees. We've got the church. We have another cabin over here with a bit of a garden, probably growing apples. Now we have my main line station here with the water tower and the signal box. And many people out talking. And I do a long shot down here. We've got the roadworks with some new cables being put in, I think. And we've got the school bus bringing the kids back from school. So I'm very pleased with the shunting capability of my 009. Now this adds another dimension to what I can do with the coal scenario and the colliery. So that's for another video. I'll have to practice with the points before I start filming it to make sure it does actually work correctly. Who knows? So with that, we'll say thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.